For IT administrators and support teams, keeping endpoints secure and up to date is one of the most time consuming parts of the job. Manually installing updates, patching software, or deploying new tools across dozens or even hundreds of Windows machines not only drains time but also increases the risk of errors, inconsistencies, and missed deadlines. That's where PDQ Deploy becomes a game changer. PDQ Deploy is a highly respected software deployment tool for Windows environments, designed specifically to automate and simplify application rollouts. It enables you to silently install or update software on multiple computers simultaneously from one central console, saving time, increasing accuracy, and improving security posture. In this video, we'll walk you through PDQ Deploy's most valuable features and explain why it's an essential tool for modern IT teams aiming for efficient, low friction software management. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the silent software deployment at scale. PDQ Deploy lets you install, update, or uninstall software across an entire fleet of Windows machines silently. Whether you're pushing standard apps like Zoom or Slack, or deploying internal tools, PDQ does it in the background. No user interruptions, no prompts, and no need to physically access any device. Silent deployment dramatically cuts down the time needed to roll out software, eliminates user confusion, and ensures that every endpoint is updated in a consistent and professional manner. Another key feature is the custom packages and multi-step deployments. PDQ allows you to create fully customizable deployment packages. You can define install parameters, set conditions, insert pre or post deployment scripts, include registry changes, and even schedule reboots. Complex software setups that used to take hours can now be handled with repeatable automated logic. This flexibility ensures that your deployments align with internal standards and environmental requirements. You have complete control over how applications are installed, resulting in fewer help desk calls and better software reliability across the board. Another key feature is the real-time progress tracking and logging. Every deployment in PDQ is tracked live, giving you a window into which machine succeeded, which failed, and why. Logs are easily accessible for each machine, helping you pinpoint issues such as permissions errors, offline devices, or misconfigured parameters. Instead of guessing whether a deployment worked, you have transparent data at your fingertips. This leads to quicker troubleshooting, fewer repeat attempts, and improved accountability. Another key feature is the dynamic targeting with PDQ inventory. PDQ deploy works seamlessly with PDQ inventory, which maps out your entire Windows environment by collecting detailed information about each device, installed software, OS version, IP address, system specs, and more. You can then create dynamic groups and target them with deployments. This integration lets you move from reactive to proactive IT management. Instead of blanket updates, you deploy only to the machines that need them. Another key feature is the scheduling, offline handling, and auto retries. PDQ deploy includes powerful automation tools like task scheduling, wake on LAN, retry logic for offline machines, and timeout settings. You can schedule deployments to run overnight, during lunch hours, or whenever disruption is least likely. You no longer need to sit in front of your console to ensure successful delivery. These automation features allow you to set it and forget it while still maintaining reliability and compliance across all your endpoints. So, why is PDQ Deploy a great choice? PDQ Deploy stands out because it's purpose built for Windows environments with zero bloat and no unnecessary complexity. It's a tool designed for real world IT teams who value speed, accuracy, and low overhead. There's no agent installation required. Just push deployments over your existing network using standard protocols. In 2025, PDQ continues to evolve with improved scripting support, PowerShell module integrations, better remote execution, and regular updates to its package library, which offers dozens of pre-built, tested application deployments ready to use. You also get peace of mind with its robust user permissions, Active Directory integration, and detailed audit logs, all essential for maintaining security and compliance in professional IT environments. So basically, PDQ deploy removes the chaos from software installation and patching by giving IT teams a fast, reliable, and customizable tool for managing Windows endpoints. Whether you're deploying a new messaging app to 25 computers or updating a security patch across 2,000, PDQ Deploy handles it quickly and silently, freeing up your time and reducing the margin for error. So if your IT team is tired of juggling manual installs, scripting inconsistencies, or unreliable group policies, then PDQ Deploy is absolutely worth adopting in 2025. It simplifies your day-to-day operations and allows you to focus on the bigger picture, which is keeping your system secure, efficient, and future ready. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.